What is up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while, hasn't it? First thing I wanted to do was apologize for the yet another extended winter break. You guys know how it is working out of your driveway between weather and rain, which is weather. Between the rain and the freezing cold, there's not much I can do on a car outside. I've been throwing out some shorts and some other little videos and stuff, but I know that you guys are here for this thing. Which brings me to the point of this video, my new garage. Now it is not much, but it is much better than nothing. Being able to work indoors is going to be a game changer for me. Now I have not done anything in here at all yet except throw a coat of paint on everything because it was looking pretty not great. And I also switched out some light bulbs. These were very dim, like 2700K, just a couple hundred lumens. This thing right here is the equivalent of a 300 watt. Nice bright white like these are. These are each 1600 lumens. There's two bulbs in there. This one here is apparently 4,000 lumens. Let me throw this thing on. This thing is like turning the sun on. Camera don't do it much justice, but that thing is super bright. Even in the middle of the night, I flip this thing on, I'll be able to have plenty of visibility. I'm also gonna run some other lighting over here on this side. My workbench is gonna go over here. Toolboxes and stuff are gonna come in. So I'm super excited. It is just a rental, so I can't do everything I want, but again, I'm just grateful to finally have an indoor space to work out of the weather. That means more time and more opportunities, more days out of the year that I am able to work on the car and other things and get more videos out for you guys, hopefully. I am still limited by, funds. Parts are expensive. Obviously, we all know that. And I do still have a family. This is just a hobby for me. I have a full-time job. While I'm here in this update mode, I also wanted to thank you guys. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 1,100. Videos on the Corolla, always do. So amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. So, nothing left to do here, I guess, except sweep this floor and start moving everything in here. Cue the time lapse. Okay, I've got everything from the old house and got it over here. This isn't everything. I still have a bunch of stuff in the storage unit. I just wanted to get everything out of the old house and over here. I didn't record any of that. Probably wouldn't be very interesting to watch me just move a bunch of stuff and drive back and forth 100 times. But before I can get any of the stuff out of the storage unit, there's no room here. What I'm gonna do is put a shed up in the back, get rid of a lot of this stuff that doesn't really need to go in the garage, lawnmower and such. So what my plan was for that was to use this tabletop here as basically the floor for the shed, and then I'll show you what I got going on outside. So this right here is where I plan on putting the shed. Well, first I gotta trim these bushes and stuff back, and I'm gonna put that tabletop, I'm gonna fasten it to this pallet. Basically just kind of use this as like a foundation. It's just a cheap little metal 3x5 shed I got off Amazon or something, I can't remember. I just need something to get that lawnmower out of the garage. All the yard tools and stuff can go in there, so I have more room. I can bring my toolboxes and my actual things from the storage unit. I think this is good enough for what I'm trying to do. Is it perfect? No. Are there better ways to do it? Probably. This is what I had. Didn't have to spend a dime. But I doubt you're trying to watch me assemble this whole thing. So we'll just go ahead and do this. That didn't work quite as well as I'd hoped. I see what the problem is. After the first night outside, this wood warped pretty bad. It doesn't look too terrible right now, but over the past few nights, it's actually warped. Like, it went this way, and then it warped that way, and then back this way, due to the changes in temperature and moisture levels, I'm assuming. Should have known that was gonna happen. This is not treated in any way, not meant for outside use. So I'm gonna replace this wood with some treated plywood and try this again. There we go. So with this thing finally all done, I can get a few things out of the garage. Just enough room to get a lawnmower and some random yard tools and stuff like that in here. Let's see just how much we can fit in here. Hey, not too bad. I did stick these boards up here just as something to hang some things on. Does the job it's intended to do. That's that many more things that are not in the garage. So let's quit wasting time and get in the garage.
Yeah, I got it.
Dude, this whole thing needs a paint
She
job.
getting cut. Plenty of room for activity, sort of.
I can definitely work under the hood right here, no issues. If I gotta pull hubs and wheels off, I can pull it out.
I had about this much room when I do my clutch. Like, I can get all this shit off. And then when you're under the car,
It ain't bad. It fits.
hey, it's a garage. I was hoping to fit a car.
I got plenty of room over here, main workspace.
Yeah, drop a turbo.
Still definitely have a lot of organizing to do, but I just wanted to get everything in here and just see if it would even fit. Everything's subject to change. I can reorganize and move things around, but definitely plenty of room to, you know, work under the hood, get around the car. Not a whole lot of room, like we were saying, to be able to work on, like, if I need to pull wheels off or anything, but I can pull it outside to do those sort of things. This stuff's all gonna get cleaned up a little better over here too. Plenty of light with the new lights in here too. Just got some organizing and some decorating to finish up. It's coming together nicely. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see what we get into next. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.